Hi, I just wanted to share with you that I discovered you can take a YouTube channel and have closed captions. So what you do is you go over here and you turn closed captions on, and so then that's going to have the video. So when you see how the closed captions are at the bottom. Okay. But what I can do is I can go over here to settings, and if I go to English and I do auto translate, I can pick any language, right? And so a lot of you speak Spanish, or Spanish, there it is. And you can take Spanish, and now watch the video. It's going to be translated into Spanish. So I will provide the link to my channel. So if I go over here, this is my channel, and you can just, you have to watch out that you don't say pick calculus, but look, here is like IM2 week 14, video 3, video 2, video 1. So you can find the right video. It'll match up with what it says to do for the Edpuzzle. So if you want to do this instead of the Edpuzzle to have it in Spanish, that would be perfectly fine. All right, so that's the end. Just my little note.